What's going on, Rotters? Up next on the bench is going to be the AMT Phantom Ford Econoline custom van. We're going to go ahead and unbox it in this video. If you like this kind of thing, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, give it a subscribe, and leave a comment. If you have any suggestions about the build, I have an idea of what I'm going to do. Hopefully it works out. Let's go ahead and get into it. So first thing we see on the box is that it says Retro Deluxe Edition. Enhanced reissued features. That means that this kit was released back in the day, and AMT/Round 2 decided to release it again and give us some upgrades. So the upgrades are tinted teardrop windows, original package art, and vintage decal sheet. Definitely a really nice looking box art. Really like the green one on this side. Says it's fun to assemble, 1/25th scale hobby kit for modelers 10 years through adulthood. So it tells you about the cover art, shows you some stuff you could do with it. Again, same cover art and some features. So let's go ahead and see what kind of parts we have inside. Let's go ahead and get the top off here. First up, we have a very nice looking body. Cut out back windows, embossed Ford logo, place to put the license plate. Appears that the floor is also in with the body. So that's the floor panning. Then we got some tires. Looks like we got two different sets, stock and then probably custom. So definitely a wider set versus the skinnier set. Just look like your one-of-the-mill generic style tires, but always nice to have options. Then we got a chrome tree. So we got the stock grille and then the custom. So this one would be, I'm pretty sure, the stock. And I think this one is the custom. Looks like we got some side pipes. Some mirrors. Some stock wheels and some bumpers. And it looks like we got some engine parts, headers, fans, oil pan. Got some custom parts, so you can have the flared fenders, and there's some custom wheels. Again, some more bumpers. There's the chassis in this bag. Interior pieces, looks like we got seats, steering wheels, wheel backs, grills, dash, radiator, and we got some clear glass, front window, back window, side windows. Then we got some smoked clear plastic for the windows. It looks like you can probably put a window up on the top for a little bubble top roof. Got some diamonds or some teardrops, or these ones right here. They look kind of like a bean. Then we got clear red taillights and just clear plastic with the same stuff that's on the smoked. Obviously, if you don't like the smoke, you can always just tint this clear one, whatever color you like. Got a round 2 booklet, 2011 to 2012. Obviously, you can get some of these kits today on the secondhand market, and some of them might still be in the store. But a lot of them, I'm sure, are getting phased out by now. There's our Phantom kit. called Phantom. But now we got the Phantom. But there's that. Instructions. So it looks like the hood comes off. Really little instructions. So rear suspension, chassis assembly, front suspension, wheels. So looks like we got the two different options. Glass, interior, of course your engine, so Phantom Ford van, and that's pretty much it. Just basic instructions and a mail-in for round 2. And let's go ahead and look at the decals. Pretty sure they're just the graveyard scene. Yep, just that really nice looking graveyard scene. Phantom. That would look really good on a dragster. I mean, even this one you could probably put on a funny car or anything. Some different little Phantoms. Red, white, and blue. 2 different license plates. Got a Michigan and a California. So definitely can put some Phantom decals on some cars, and so these are definitely nice. More than what I thought was on there. Let's go ahead and look at the body now. So really nice looking body. Don't have any flashing that I see. Really clean. Really nice looking. Just a little cleanup maybe right there, but not too bad. Definitely pretty nice. There's a look at the Ford logo on the back. This is where your taillights would go in. They got it indented, so they should go in there pretty easy. Same with that license plate decal. Very nice. Tons of room to lay down some cool colors. Go ahead and look at the floor pan. So here's your front right here. Got a center dash, molded in pedals. Just a metal floor. If you wanted to, you probably could put some flocking or felt in there and have it be colored and make like a cool boogie van, especially since you can see through the back windows. Definitely would be a cool idea. So appears this just goes in like that. And then I guess your suspension and everything just builds off of that bottom plate. Plenty of room for your motor. Very nice. So here's the hood. It's on the tree with some of the interior pieces. So it looks like we got some seat backs there. Some pieces for the wheels. Maybe some plates. Another piece for the interior maybe, or the underside. Got some leaf springs. So definitely a ton of little goodie parts on there. Then on this tree, you got your firewall, your rear end differential. Looks like we got some disc brakes. shocks, antennas, steering column, radiator, dash, things like that, drive shaft. Here we have the motor parts, flared fenders, bumper, a couple different pieces. And then we have some wheel backs. And here's your frame. Those custom wheels, steering wheel. So it looks like you got a option for a custom steering wheel as well. So I like that one, but I also kind of like the stock. Definitely pretty cool. So seems like they give you some options. Exhaust pipes. Looks like maybe some bumpers and things like that. Now, I'm not gonna open the chrome tree bag because this is all everything you can see. Looks pretty clean. Chrome looks nice. But we'll just leave that sealed for right now. Let's go ahead and get these tires out, take a look at them. So here's a look at the custom tires. So we got 2 skinnies and 2 thick ones for the back. Goodyear printed tires. So if you wanted to paint that, you can. Nice looking tread. Don't see any flashing really. Got a little bit, so if you wanted to sand it, maybe you could. Let's go ahead and look at these skinnies. For the front wheels, they look pretty good too. Again, Goodyear. So go ahead and put these back in the bag and we'll look at the other set. And here is the stock tires. All 4 tires are going to be the same size if you choose these. And again, they are Goodyear. Go ahead and zoom in so you can see that. So, not coming in that clear, but they are Goodyear as well. And again, they look pretty nice. There's no crazy flashing on them. So, pretty nice tires. So there we have our AMT Phantom Ford Econoline custom van. Really excited to get started on this. Update on the little hot dogger for the Random Weirdness group build. I'm almost done with that, so I should have that out soon. And I should have some updates coming up on this build soon. Maybe when I put some paint on it, I'll come back and show you guys what color I chose. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you have any suggestions for this build, leave them down in the comments below. And like I said, if you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. There'll definitely be more model builds coming out in the future. And I hope to see you guys again. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.